For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. That's a pretty good invitation, don't you think? Here's another one, 2 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 17 and 18. God's call for us. Wherefore come out from among them, and be ye separate, saith the Lord, and touch not the unclean thing, and I will receive you. And I will be a father to you, and you shall be my sons and daughters, says the Lord. To come out. God has died for the world, and he sends this invitation for us to accept what he's done, to come home and be his sons and daughters. That's our calling, our high calling, our invitation to be present at the roll call of God.